How to create custom sticker on Snapchat. Open Snapchat application first of all, and once the camera loads, you need to take a snap on the section. Once you have taken a snap, just tap on the seizure icon at the right corner of the screen. Now here, in order to make custom sticker, you have to draw the border to refine your selection. So using the fingers, you can easily select in order to make a sticker. Once you select it, you need to tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen. And once you have done, the Snapchat will pick up the object that you just drew, and this will create custom sticker on you can where you wish to, and tap a send to button and send that snap, or else you can also save or add to your stickers. This way you can easily create custom stickers on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.